Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm here to show you 3 of my favorite healthy breakfast recipes. For those who don't know me, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatriz and I make videos about self-improvement. Basically a bunch of fun things that help me become the best version of myself. Taking the time to have the actual breakfast that my body needs and thrives off makes me feel happy, motivated, and ready for the day. That's why I'm going to start a series of videos about different healthy breakfast options. Today I'm going to show you 3 healthy sweet breakfast options for those of you who have a sweet tooth or that just want something sweet every now and then. The first recipe is what I call the Applesauce oatmeal, which is actually a vegan recipe and it is delicious. I actually don't enjoy apples as a fruit, but I do love anything that has to do with apples. So yeah, I genuinely love this recipe because it has this comfort feeling, but it's not just oatmeal with apples. The second recipe are my healthy pancakes. I tried different combinations and found my perfect healthy pancakes recipe. Finally, the third recipe. I recently made up this recipe and it is so delicious. It's actually become my favorite recipe either for brekkie or as a snack or even dessert. It is my, drum rolls please, homemade protein banana yogurt with peanut butter and chocolate. And now I'll show you how to make them. For the Applesauce oatmeal, we'll start by cooking our oats. I'm adding half a cup of rolled oats in a pan with 1 cup of water. Mix that up and bring to boil on high and then lower to low medium. Now that almost all the water is evaporated, I'm adding some unsweetened almond milk. I like it pretty thick, but if you like it runnier, then add more milk. Cook that for a couple of minutes until you get your desired texture. Now that the oatmeal is cooked, I'm adding about 2/3 of a cup to 1 cup of my homemade applesauce, which I will show you how to make in another video. I'm also adding some cinnamon and homemade pumpkin spice. When the oatmeal and the applesauce is well combined, you can add your favorite toppings. I'm adding some extra pumpkin spice, some peanut butter because I love it, and some chopped walnuts because I love the combination of nuts and apples and oatmeal. And here you have your Applesauce oatmeal, ready to eat, full of nutrients, and it will definitely keep you full for the whole morning. Now off to my healthy pancakes recipe. It is so simple. First, I slice up a medium-sized banana and pour it in a food processor or similar. Then I'm adding 1 large egg and 3 tablespoons of oat flour. If you want to make it vegan, you can change the egg for a combination of water and flax seeds. Or if you don't have oat flour, you can make your own by just putting rolled oats in a food processor until it becomes flour. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to a pan and heating that up on high. When the oil has melted and the pan is hot, turn it to medium. Now, pour some of the pancakes dough on the pan and cook like you would with normal pancakes. Once you see that the bottom is cooked and you see some bubbles on the top, you can turn the pancakes. Now that the pancakes are done, I'm adding some peanut butter and my homemade berries jam. But you can add melted chocolate or other toppings you like. And these are my healthy pancakes. They're so delicious, I can't get over them. I normally have these on Saturday or Sunday to enjoy a nice and quiet breakfast. And finally, my star recipe, my protein banana yogurt with peanut butter and chocolate. This is so easy to make, it's crazy how delicious it is. First of all, I'm slicing one medium banana and putting it in a food processor. Now I'm adding one whole container of skyr yogurt, which is 150 grams. I love skyr because it is so high in protein, low in fats, and it has an incredible thick texture. I'm also adding 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 gram of stevia. You can adjust the amount of stevia depending on how sweet you want your yogurt to be. And there you go, the best banana yogurt you'll ever try. And it is refined sugar-free, low-fat, and high protein. In my opinion, the best combo is making a sort of parfait with peanut butter and chocolate. So I'm going to use some real peanut butter made only with peanuts and also some melted chocolate. To make your melted chocolate, just take a square of dark chocolate, 85% is great, and with a splash of unsweetened almond milk, microwave until melted. Make sure to not burn the chocolate. Now, pour some yogurt in a glass or bowl, then add peanut butter, then some more yogurt, then add more peanut butter and some melted chocolate, then whatever you have left from the yogurt, and then the rest of the chocolate. And finally, add some chopped cashew nuts. And here you go! It is amazing, delicious, and so comforting with the melted chocolate, the peanut butter, the sweetness from the banana, and creaminess from the yogurt. It is just perfect. And these are the 3 healthy breakfast recipes that I'm sharing with you today. They are my current sweet breakfast favorites. They're so good, and they actually give you the energy that you need to be ready for the day. So this is it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you try some of the recipes. If you did, please give it a like because it really supports my channel, and this way I also know what kind of videos you like. Comment down below your favorite breakfast recipes, and if you try any of the recipes that I shared with you today, please let me know and share that with me because it really means the world to me. And if you want to see more videos about self-improvement, make sure to subscribe because I upload new videos every week. Also, follow my other social media, which I will link down in the description box below, to get sneak peeks of the behind the scenes and for extra content in my journey in life. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week. I am Raterman and this is my journey. Bye! Mwah.